In this video we will talk about Geonfino Smart Lock that can protect your home and office without any hurdle. But before we start, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon. In this box you will find one latch, interior assembly, and its cover, keypad, user manual and drilling template, strike and its box, RFID cards, keys, screws, installation instruction. Now let's move on how to install this lock. Please make sure your door size meets the installation specifications when installing. If backset is 2-3/8 inch, then you can install it directly. But if size is 2-3/4 inch, then just rotate the latch 10 degrees, and then adjust and extend the length. Finally fix the latch with screws. Now second step is to install strike on the door frame. Fix it with screws. Now third step is to install our main unit keypad. Make sure if the hole size is 2 1/8 inch or greater, then you can install keypad directly. But if the hole size is less than 2 1/8 inch, then remove the hole cover first, and then install it directly. Make sure that the tail bar is installed vertically. Now install and fix mounting plate. Now confirm the direction of our door. If your door is left hand, then twist the key to the right side to close the door. And if your door is right hand, then twist the key to left to close the door. Sixth step is to install interior assembly. First connect the power cord and make sure the IC wired not too long. And finally fix it with screws. Now install batteries and fix the cover with screws. That's it. It is extremely easy to understand and comprehend. Now it's time to install TT Lock app to control this door lock. With TT Lock app you can generate timed, permanent, one-time, or custom passwords for guests, friends, and tenants, granting them access to specific dates. You can also check the records about unlocking in real time via app. You can unlock with multiple ways. You can lock from outside, inside, and via app. You can unlock with RFID card, via key, via password, and via app. You can create up to 200 user codes for each. Moreover, Smart Lock battery can provide 8,000 unlocks, that is about 12 months. When the Smart Lock battery is low, the screen will brighten up and beep to remind you to replace the battery in time. You can adjust auto relock time for your ease. You can create passcode permanent, time limited, one time, or even customize. The virtual password design of the Deadbolt Smart Lock prevents the password from being spied on by entering random digits before or after a passcode. Geonfino Smart Lock, committed to providing smart home solutions. Make your life simple, smart, and secure. Discount link is in description, go get yours. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe our channel and hit bell notification icon.